How would you describe Archie Friends?
It's sort of this game show, a childish game show, and it shows what life is like to be having Down syndrome or autism, mostly Down syndrome, I think.
Are you nervous about being on Archie Friends?
It's gonna be weird and awesome at the same time, depending on your point of view.
Archie and Friends, Archie and Friends, Archie and Friends.
Welcome to Archie and Friends. I'm the host, Archie. Welcome, my friend, Nathan. Thank you to be Nathan.
What a thrill.
You do art?
Yeah?
What kind?
I draw a ton of people and animals and nature.
What kind of animals?
So far it's insects and birds, and I might graduate towards wild aggressive carnivores.
Okay.
Nathan is a talented sketch artist who uses Sharpies and paint pens to create realistic looking art.
That's good.
Uh-huh.
Tell me about autism.
Autism is like, you want to open your mouth and scream, but you can't, but then you have to find another way to express that outlet through your art and like all of those sorts of things. But other than that, you're A-okay.
I love it.
Archie, what are we gonna do today?
Today we are playing
Cookie roulette.
Cookie Roulette.
Cookie roulette.
Does it mean roulette?
Oh, roulette. Okay, with the R.
Oh, right.
Roulette.
So how do you play cookie roulette?
Here's what you need: cookies, preferably ones that roll, a bunch of cups, and stuff to fill the cups with, and maybe even a few prizes. Here's how you play. Fill all the cups with all the stuff, tilt a small table, and put the cups at the lower end. Then, take turns rolling the cookies down the table, whatever cup the cookie lands in. You have to dip and take a bite.
Now it's time to play
Cookie
Roulette. Cookie Roulette. Amy, you up.
Where are you aiming?
I don't know. Hot Cheetos. Oh yeah, good work. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh man. Next.
Soy sauce, please work. Roll it. Milk. Ah.
Milk.
You got lucky, man.
I was aiming for soy sauce.
You were aiming for soy sauce?
Chocolate milk too. Next. Whatever. Lemon juice.
Is it sour?
No. Next.
Go there.
Soda.
Oh my god, this is
Just
disgusting.
eat it.
That's not bad.
Amy, you up.
Amy, Amy,
Amy, Amy.
Hot sauce. Woo, woo, woo.
Nathan's gonna give her a pep talk.
You're a child of God, and I bless you, and I don't know. Oh. No. Oh boy.
Next.
Aim for soy sauce. Money! Ah! No, money! Ah!
No way!
I was aiming for the soy sauce. Come on. Money again. Ah!
Oh! How's he getting the money every time?
I'm trying to aim for the soy sauce.
You have 15 bucks now.
Hot sauce. Next. A milk.
He's going for the milk. You got it.
Money.
Oh! Money's good.
Okay.
You can
yeah,
buy
I
some
want
milk.
Got it. I need to save it. Get good next. Grapefruit juice.
Oh gosh.
Not bad.
Oh.
Next.
Come on, baby.
hot, too low.
Lisa.
Lisa.
Lisa. Go for
I'm
it.
nervous, y'all, actually.
Eat it, eat it.
That's legit, y'all.
Next.
Soy sauce. Aim for soy sauce. All right, soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yay. That's not soy sauce, it's syrup.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Oh, I love that stuff, even though you might call me a soy boy on this. Yes.
Next.
No.
No, I want cold. Gross.
Take a bite.
Don't like it, but to eat it.
Okay. Ready to eat it all? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Not good. Next. Mustard.
Mustard. Go.
Mustard.
Guys, if I get mustard, I'm gonna be really upset. Oh, wow, what is it?
Pickle juice.
No, I don't think I can do it.
Pickle juice.
Pickle juice. Pickle juice.
Just eat it.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I came real close to puking, I'm not gonna lie.
What a game.
Next.
Here we go.
Yeah, Coke.
Yay!
Yeah. Soda.
Ozzy, put the chicken fries out first.
Don't just chug it.
Next. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Pickle juice. It's nasty, Savvy. It's nasty. It's gross.
Oh man. Take a bite, take a bite.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, no,
Eat it.
no,
Eat it.
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh
my gosh.
It's gross. It's gross. Get your next.
Oh my goodness.
That's a good one.
Hot sauce. Woo, woo, woo.
Oh, man.
This would be good. Is it good, Nicholas?
Okay. Is your mouth on fire? Okay.
But this is the best game ever.
And that's how to play.
Cookie
Roulette. Cookie for that.
Is it time for a question from a friend?
Yes.
Hi Nathan, I'm Meg from Chicago. I was wondering what it's like to work with people with Down syndrome.
I love it, sort of. On one hand, I can't understand what they're saying, and on the other, they might hug me inside of my frustrations and angst and feeling scared. But at the end of the day, we're like a family, and I love that.
That's cool, my friend.
Yes.
Archie and friends, Archie and friends, Archie and friends.
Cookie Roulette is kind of odd.